everybody, it's your boy Gwiz, deep in the heart of Times Square, New York City. This place is going to be packed with people as the ball drops from this building right behind me. Okay, the ball is already there, and when that ball drops, we're going to bring in 2020, the new year. Alright, so 2019 is out of here. It's history. Alright, so I'm not going to be here during that big party. I'll be back in China, but I'm here now, so I'm going to make up for it with some videos, okay? And I'll share it with you too, okay? Come on along. I'll show you a little bit of New York. So I'm going to walk down Broadway here. I'm going to walk uptown a bit. You can see like some of our celebrities there. There's Grover from Sesame Street. And you never know who you're going to run into, you know. You can see like some Marvel superheroes here. Like, look who that is. It's the Hulk. You wouldn't want to make him angry, all right? Batman is here too. So that's New York. That's what New York is all about. You see, they don't want to be photographed because they're superheroes and they have secret identities and, you know, the whole vigilante thing. And they're going to want me to pay them money to take their pictures too. Superheroes in New York are very, very greedy. But I got some of them. You can see that's Batman right there. Okay? So Captain America is over there too. You can see him walking over there. Those are the backs of our celebrities here in New York City, okay? I'm not going to pay them any money, so that's all you're going to get. I'm as big a celebrity as they are in New York. And they ain't paying me. So right behind me you see a good old-fashioned New York City hot dog stand. I'm going to get a pretzel because there's nothing like a New York City pretzel over here. Also nothing like a New York City hot dog. Of course, you never know what's in the hot dog. Nobody really knows what kind of meat the hot dog is, but so we eat it anyway. We're New Yorkers. We can deal with whatever it is, okay? I'm going to get a pretzel right now, okay? You can't get those in China. So this is called Theater Row because you have all sorts of Broadway plays here, all sorts of theaters. So you want to see a show, this is where it is. Alright? Shows are kind of expensive, but if you go right over there, they have the tickets area over there and you can get discount tickets and you can probably see a show the same day. So yeah, so come on out and see a show, a Broadway show. So I showed you Theater Row in New York City, but did you know there's a Diamond Row here? All up this street here on 47th Street, diamond shops, gold shops. They buy, they sell. This is the Diamond District of New York City. So if you like diamonds as much as you like money, and I know you do, this is the place to come right here in New York. Diamond Row right here. I can't afford any of this stuff, but it's nice to look at. This is 6th Avenue and 50th Street. I'm in front of the famous Radio City Music Hall where they do their Christmas show with the famous Rockettes. It's kind of a Christmas tradition. And I'm standing in front of a Rockette actually right here selling tickets for the show. Can you tell me something? How long has this show been going on? She's very shy, so I'm putting her on the spot. Go ahead. It's all right. Go ahead.
I basically just know they're awesome.
They're awesome.
They're awesome, and it's perfect.
They're famous for those kicks. They do these crazy kicks. Can you do a kick? Can you? Yeah, the synchronized kick. It's kind of. It's too cold to do the kick now. So yeah. You know, you should be up there doing the show with them. All right.
same. Thank you all day.
So there's a great holiday show. You come to New York to see the Radio City Music Hall Rockette show, all right? And say hello to our Rockette friend. She's cold, all right? Buy her a cup of coffee. Keep her warm, okay? It's no joke out here. It's cold. We're going back up towards 6th Avenue, and right ahead of me is Rockefeller Center. And you know, this time of year, you know why everybody is here. So I'll show you. I haven't seen this yet, and I'm looking forward to it because I kind of miss it. Rockefeller Plaza. There's the tree, the famous Rockefeller Center Christmas tree, all lit up. And right here you have NBC News, where they shoot the Today Show, the morning show live. All the news broadcasts are done right here. 30 Rock.
From NBC News, this is Today from Studio 1A in Rockefeller Plaza.
And good morning, everyone. Welcome to Today on a Tuesday morning.
You see the set of the Today Show in there, all the cameras. Let's get a closer look at the tree. So there you have it. Happy holidays from New York City in front of the most famous Christmas tree in the world, the Rockefeller Center Christmas tree. Happy holidays, everybody. Peace.